Tori's gonna take a straight shot of lemon juice.
See? Tell him to look in my glass so they know. You can know what's in there.
Okay, see it? Ready?
Oh.
3, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Do it. Do it. Hiya. Let me see that face. What a pansy.
Is it gone?
Eh. I want to do it.
It burned.
I want to do it.
Bad.
Gumbo thinks you're an idiot.
My face is tight.
Kelly's turn.
Adam?
You gonna count me down? Where you count me down from?
Yeah.
You have less than I do.
Nah. 3.
1, go.
Go.